Your arm. Good girl.
Oh, she's even got a flower on her.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Put your hands up.
Pearl, show them how to do it.
No, she's tired, man.
Good. Bend your knees a little bit. Bend your knees a little. Yeah. Very good. Oh, yes.
Spin around in a circle.
Turn around slowly. Like until...
Like that. Do your hands like this?
Yeah. Oh, very good.
Put your hands on your hips.
Ready? Yeah.
And then put your hands up like...
Yeah.
Go down, up and down like that.
Yeah. Yeah, smile. Have to smile. Very good.
Go this one, step.
Step across. Oh, very good. That's right. She's good.
Go fast.
Okay. Very good. If you got a sore tummy, it's the right way. Yeah. Walk on,